Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove the center console of a Volvo C30. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, remove the gear shift knob by twisting it counterclockwise. Then, gently pry up the trim piece surrounding the gear shift using a plastic trim tool to avoid damage. This exposes the mounting screws underneath. Now, with the gear shift trim removed, you'll see two torque screws. Unscrew these carefully. Move to the armrest compartment, open it, and remove the two screws located inside. Once these fasteners are out, you can gently lift the rear section of the center console. Be mindful of any wiring connections as you proceed with this step. Before fully removing the console, you must disconnect all electrical connectors. There are several wires for various functions, so take your time. It's helpful to photograph or make a mental note of where each wire connects for easier reassembly. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to gently release any stubborn clips on the connectors. This ensures no damage occurs. With all screws removed and electrical connections unplugged, you can now carefully lift and remove the entire center console from your Volvo C30. Take care not to scratch any interior surfaces during this final step. Keep all removed screws and parts organized in a safe place. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.